Okay, so now we're going to cook our palm dates low, slow for a couple of hours until everything gets nice and gooey and soft, and then we'll start to work it for our syrup. Give it a cover. See you in 2 hours. Smells like citrus and flowers. Those are our palm dates cooking. Let's take a look. Once we get it, I'm going to let it boil for just a little while longer. Now, the recipe that I found says that once it comes up to a boil, let it roll for a few minutes and then turn it all the way down to a low simmer and then finish it up for the rest of the time. So, check you again in about an hour and a half. Robert Reeves had no intentions of ever allowing us any part of his life. To a head here in this courtroom, and all eyes before you. So we've got our date palm juice. We'll cook it down, let it get thick, turn into a syrup. I'm really trying not to add any sugar, even if it's natural sugar. I want to see how sweet it gets on its own. But if we got to add a touch of real natural sugar, then I will. Right now, let's work on our nuts. Okay, so we've got palm nuts, and I'm determined to turn these into a tea or a coffee or something, so I'm going to extract all the nuts from the pulp and get them dried up. We'll get them in the oven maybe tonight and see about roasting them for coffee or tea. Okay, so I feel like I should warn you ahead of time. It is a bit tart. It's tart, especially after it reduced down. It's got a hint of sweetness, but it's not sweet enough for a syrup or a honey. So let me give it a quick little taste here. But the citrus tartness with it, that's crazy. It's sticky. I am going to add a touch of raw cane sugar, just to give it a little sweetness, and that way I can just kind of pour it over my pancakes in the morning. Let's keep it on the stove. Let's, let it keep sweetening. Just be patient. This is a very patient recipe I'm finding. Jeez.
And then the whole thing shifts with 3 shakes. So now's your chance to have your whole life on it.
We got a lot of information back.
You said stuff in him about how Yael was looking for someone to kill George.
He would have never
Partial response happens when your antidepressants alone isn't enough. Let's try adding Rexall.
She heard someone walk up behind her. She looked around and saw a guy pointing a gun at her, and the guy told her to get on the ground.
But will investigators catch this brazen criminal before?
There was a time in my life, but there still stood these abandoned homes, all kinds of crime and criminal activity.
Individuals in the house, but we didn't have much success. We saw that somebody in the house, but at that point, no one was there.
When migraine strikes, one dose works fast to eliminate migraine pain. Treat it anytime, anywhere, without risk with you. Ask about Ubrelvy. Learn how Advil can help you save.
Hey, Sharon, Toothpick is crushing the outside, but incredibly wholesome on the inside, just like